In the heart of Ljubljana, Rog Factory, once an important industrial centre, will be developed into a contemporary creative space. As a first step, RogLAB, a small creative hub full of rapid prototyping equipment, was established by the city of Ljubljana.
Na voljo so ti stroji, ki so težko dostopni. Na enem mestu v bistvu dobiš ogromno stvari, ogromno znanja.
Since it was established 6 years ago, RogLAB has hosted more than 4,500 unique users. 70% of them are women. Thus, there are over 200 children enrolled in RogLAB's educational programs each year. Together with its 40 local and international partners, RogLAB is providing designers, artists and entrepreneurs with infrastructure and technical support for their innovative ideas. Many of them are focusing on the challenges of urban living and pressing social issues.
We did a jacket that actually looks like a regular jacket, but has features for a tetraplegic girl, Katarina, who sits in a wheelchair, and she's young and she cares about fashion. So we did a really fashionable jacket for her.
Through RogLAB, the city of Ljubljana has been testing on a very small scale the working modalities that could become the essence of the future revitalized Rog Factory. Innovative and original, it will once again serve the creative and enterprising spirit of Ljubljana.